Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to create a new account and use BiP Messenger. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. BiP Messenger is currently topping charts on Apple's App Store, ahead of rivals Telegram and Imo. Let's see how to create account and use BiP Messenger. To begin, open the App Store and search for BiP Messenger. Download and install the app. Now open the app. Now you need to sign up. Tap on Get BiPin. Then tap on the Continue button. Next, enter the phone number which you want to register for your BiP account. Then tap on Get Verification Code. From the confirmation window, tap on Yes. A verification code has been sent to your mobile number. Enter the code here. After your number has been verified, enter a name for your profile. You can also add your profile picture from here. Then tap on Next, from the top right corner. Now tap on Continue. Then tap on OK. Tap on OK, to allow necessary permissions. Again tap on OK. If you would like to get notifications, tap Allow. That's it. Your BiP account has been created, and ready to use. Tap on Calls, to find the BiP users from your contacts. From here you can audio call or video call to any of the BiP users. Tap on the dialer icon from the top right corner. From here you can dial any number and call. Now tap on More, from the bottom right corner. Scroll down. At the bottom you will find the settings. Tap on it. From here you can change the necessary settings according to your need. You can tap the plus sign from the top right corner to create a new message for any of the BiP users from your contacts list. So in this way, you can create a new account and use BiP Messenger. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.